Hello viewers, today we are diving into something truly extraordinary. Imagine a tool so powerful it transforms your words into videos. That's Sora for you. OpenAI latest marvel in the realm of artificial intelligence. Whether you are a creator, innovator or just a dreamer, Sora is about to redefine the boundaries of video creation. OpenAI has just announced a model that creates a video from text, and the results they have shared, they are amazing. I mean, they are out of this world. Can you even imagine that this video was generated by an AI? I can do that at least. And a simple prompt that was used to generate this video, here it is. A stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm, glowing neon and blah blah blah. And with just 4 lines of text, this is the video generated by OpenAI Sora. Now, if I scroll down further, you are going to be amazed. Before that, let's watch some of these videos. This is another video generated by Sora. I can't believe my eyes actually. How is it even possible? Imagine how it's going to affect the industries overall. Look at this video. Imagine this video is playing somewhere in the museum near their skeletons, or what do we say? Their fossils. I mean, that's amazing. All these videos are generated just by writing few lines of text, and it's generated by Sora. And if I just showed you this video without telling you that these are AI generated videos, I guarantee that you won't be able to differentiate whether a CGI or is it AI model. Let's scroll down. Here it is, another example. So fascinating. And look at this. My goodness. Imagine what kind of content you can make for your social media, YouTube, blah, blah, blah. This is going to be revolutionizing actually. Anyway, I'm going to share with you some details about the model. They are saying we will be taking several important safety steps ahead of making Sora available in OpenAI's product, which means it is not right now available to be used. They have just released it for specific group, maybe just for some tweakings, such as we are working with red teamers, domain expert in areas like misinformation, hateful content and bias. And so remember, it is very important the safety of this model, because imagine you have your images on public and such technology is used to create your videos and people cannot even differentiate. Maybe you are used in an adult film, maybe they make a video of you saying hate speeches and it is used to spread hate among the people. And I mean, you understand how badly it can be used. So it is very important to pay attention to the safety precaution. They are stating they are also building a tool that can help you differentiate between whether the video was generated by Sora or is it something else. So it's also related to the safety, of course. And yeah, these are some details. We don't know exactly when they are going to release the model for general public, but I think it's in near future, and we are so excited to test out this new model and use its abilities in the industries. And also, let's not forget there is a huge opportunity for developers to, revolutionize the industries, provide the services to the industries, and help them transform, adopt to these new AI technologies. So I think I'm very excited at least, and let's see where we ends up with, and let's see when they actually release it. As soon as it's released, I'm going to make a video on it, how to use it, and cover so many details. Make sure you are hitting the subscribe button. And yeah, that was a quick updates. Thank you so much for watching, guys.